vacuum, you know what I'm gonna do with it? I'm gonna go out here and vacuum my freaking car. Cause it's dirty. Like super duper dirty. I ain't gonna be able to show my boyfriend this because he be trying to take all of this. All of it. I can't have nothing. Okay, it's got a little bag. Okay. Okay, bag. Hey, Mocha. He be trying to take all my goodies. Okay, it's got a HEPA filter. It's got some instructions. Let's see what this vacuum cleaner looks like. This thing is. Oh, that's nice. Hola, how are you? Let's see, y'all. How you turn it on? I don't think that was supposed to come out like that. I think I just broke it. Let me see. Did I break it? Oh, yeah. That air feels good. Yeah, it's so bad. It tells you right here this how charged it is. And then you got, oh, it's charged by USB port. My day has been good, Danny. How was yours? Okay, so it's got an extra filter. That's cool. So it's got its own little bag. I could put this in my car, y'all, because my car is dirty as hell. I have not vacuumed my car and I don't know how long. It's probably got creatures living in it. You know, that's when you know it's bad. But yeah, hold on. Let me look in the rest.